proudest moment, of course, would be when he became chief.
Chief, you have been the president
Yes.
of AVA till
That's
the
right.
time he was the army chief. And I must tell my viewers, being the president of AVA is, if I may say, is as busy, if not more, as the army chief himself. And she's not paid for it.
Yes.
So,
It's a labor
it's-
of love.
It's a labor of love. Women are attracted to men in uniform
Yes.
to some extent till
Yes,
today.
yes. Other boys,
Huh.
they are men because of
Ah.
all the training that they get and so
Wow.
on. Whereas the other boys seem like, really very childish at that point.
Did it come to you? Did it hit you? कि यार ये क्या मैंने life choose कर ली?
I never thought about all those things. I just said, oh, we're going to be together, so I went. Tiny little barracks, no running water. The barracks are in the middle of the field,
My goodness.
and there are no washrooms. The washrooms were in tents. And then I realized that he's hardly ever there. So I had given up this, very happening life in Delhi. Most of my time is going and waiting for him to come back from somewhere. But the single most biggest challenge, I would say, is being a single parent. If you're a single parent, then you're responsible for everything.
Absolutely.
Their health, their education, their entertainment, their discipline. And that is very, very stressful.
We are the ones who will suffer.
Suffer.
We know हमारे बच्चे, हमारी life, हमारे parents.
The bomb blast in Trincomalee. And that was enough to give me like a panic attack.
Army chief's wife तो बहुत ही busy हो गए. There must have been days where you must have had back-to-back
Yes.
3-4 events,
Yes.
and you were expected to reach all those 3-4 events in different sarees.
Sarees, yes. So
And
I
you-
remember my dressing room sometimes used to be piled high with sarees at night. I used to realize because back-to-back events I've come and I've changed into a new one.
Yes.
So 3-4 sarees just lying in
Lying
piles.
around,
And, there's one thing in the which distinguishes the army from all other services, I would say, and that is that feeling of brotherhood. Also the camaraderie, the kinship, and so on. So apart from everything else, even if you let go of everything, this is the one thing that we should not let go of.
What is the advice you would give to a newlywed Fauji bride?
That try and bloom where you're planted. If you're in Firozpur, don't go pining for Jodhpur.
Ask mommy anything, मम्मी को सब पता है बस पासवर्ड याद नहीं रहता
Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask Mummy Anything क्योंकि मम्मी को सब पता है. So I am a Fauji wife and a lot of you know that. और एक सवाल है जो मुझे अक्सर पूछा जाता है ऑडियंस से भी, इंस्टाग्राम पे लोगों से पूछा जाता है कि मैम आप फौजी वाइफ सब कुछ कैसे मैनेज करते हो? आप इतना ट्रैवल करते हो, इतनी जगहों में घूमते रहते हो, हर 2 साल में आपकी पोस्टिंग्स आ रही हैं, आपके हस्बैंड कहाँ बॉर्डर पे बैठे हैं, आपको एंजाइटी नहीं होती? और मैडम हमारा तो 10 साल में एक बार भी घर शिफ्ट करके बुरा हाल हो जाता है, आप लोग हर 2 साल में बच्चों के इतने स्कूल्स हो रहे हैं, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट यू आर मैनेजिंग योर करियर ऑल्सो, and you're doing something for your own self, and you're managing your home, everything, and on top of that you're wearing beautiful sarees and looking so elegant all the time. So yes, Fauji wives थोड़ी तो हम तो कुछ तो अलग तो हैं, I would agree with that, and I think कुछ अलग मिट्टी से हम बने हुए हैं, and I can go on and on about it, but today I'm not going to talk about this topic alone. So I have with me today a very important person who's also the wife of an army officer, an ex-army officer. She has spent, I think, more than 4 decades in the Indian Army, if I'm not wrong. She is currently, and she's always been rather, an educator, a writer. She is currently an educational consultant with the Tony Blair Institute for Global Change. She is on the board of some very important NGOs like CK, which works in the field of foundation literacy in rural India. She has been the president of the Army Wives Welfare Association, which is a position held by the wife of the Chief of Army Staff, the serving Chief of Army Staff. I am honored to have with me today one of my favorite persons from the Indian Army that I have known for many years, Mrs. Veena Naravne. Hello, Mrs. Naravne. Welcome, and I'm so happy to have you here. And I must tell my audience also that since I've mentioned that she's the wife of an ex-army chief, she is the wife of General Manoj Mukund Naravne, who was the chief of army staff during 2019 to 2022, which was a very difficult COVID time. Correct?
That's right.
Correct,
Yes,
right, right.
yes.
So welcome, Mrs. Naravne. Thank you so much for being here. It's my honor to have you.
Thank you so much, Harpriya, for having me on your podcast. And let me tell you that this is the very first podcast that I have agreed to.
Wow. I'm honored. I'm the lucky one.
As I was telling you, I have been chased for this interviews and podcasts by a few people. And somehow I have not got around to saying yes to those. and so you're the first one.
So that makes me
So
feel
thank you for having me.
Thank you so much, Ms. Naravne. That makes me feel very, very special, and I'm now very nervous.
Not at all.
This
not
better
at
be
all.
good.
Yeah.
So ऐसा है ना कि भाई मैं तो फौजी वाइफ हूँ and she is a very senior फौजी वाइफ. तो भाई हमारा फौज में एक प्रोटोकॉल के लिए हम लोग बहुत we are very particular. So today morning only my husband was telling me, like yesterday, I was telling him that you are coming. He knew about it. So imagine he checked with me what I'm wearing. He said, I hope you're wearing a sari and going. He said, senior officer की wife को बता रहे हो साड़ी पहन के जाना. So
Yeah.
that is how important protocol is for us.
But you know me very well. I've kind of de-glamorized the role of a senior wife in the Indian Army.
I have to agree to that, Ms. Naravne. You were something else. You were somebody
Thank
hatke, and I've admired you for that, for your guts and for the work you've done.
Thank you, Haripriya.
Yes, and we are going to talk about all of that, Mrs. Naravne. So, Ms. Naravne, चलो शुरू करते हैं. How, I mean, you've spent more than 4 decades.
That's right.
है ना? कितने
Yes.
साल था?
43 years, I think.
Wow.
Yes.
And you come from a civil background?
Yes, I mean, partially
Acha.
civil, you could say, because my father was in the military engineering services.
Acha, so that's
So we
works
did
with the
for
army.
a few years, maybe about 20 years of his career.
Okay.
So I kind of spent some part of my childhood in the army camps.
Oh, lovely. So
Yeah.
you were familiar
So
with
I was
a
sort
bit.
of familiar
Yeah,
with
yeah.
what the army was and what the camps were like and so on.
And then you met General
Yes,
Naravne,
yes.
and was it like a love marriage or an arranged
Yes,
marriage?
we have been childhood sweethearts.
Oh,
So,
really?
yes.
Wow.
Our families were related, so we've been known each other forever.
Oh,
So,
wonderful. How
yes.
nice. So
And
आपको पता
when we decided to get married, actually, from if you see from today's
Huh.
angle, we were really bachas. I was like 22 and he was 23. So
Wow.
I don't think anybody at this
Huh.
this time would
Even
ever
thinks about it.
even think about marriage. But that's how it was in those days, and then
Wow.
we decided to get married, and that's how the
But
whole journey started.
Wow. And आपको पता था since that I'm going to marry this guy, and when he
Not
started
really. I mean,
when he joined the NDA and
no,
everything.
no,
Not that time.
no,
तब
not
नहीं
that
सोचा
time,
था.
yes.
Okay.
But that's how it turned out, and that's how we
Wow.
we're still together.
जब वो uniform पहन के आए.
Yes.
वो होता है ना?
True.
Everybody, I think
Yeah.
Women are attracted to men in uniform
Yes.
to some extent till
Yes,
today.
yes.
कुछ तो बात
Also,
है.
yes, because they do. I mean, if you compare to the other boys,
हाँ.
they are men because of all
Ah.
the training that they get and so
Wow.
on. Whereas the other boys seem like, really very childish at that point of time. These guys seem more mature and so on. So maybe that's what
Yes.
it was in those days.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're
So,
absolutely
but if
right.
somebody tells me now, maybe I would think, oh, it was rather early. I should have waited. Thankfully, everything turned out well. But still, I wouldn't recommend anybody to go in for marriage now that early.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing. And
Yeah.
Naravne would be very happy to hear that.
Yes.
Wow,
Acha.
you're absolutely right. I think
Yes.
the men in uniform are men. They look
Yes.
like बाकी सबके
Yes.
सामने थोड़े से लफंडर से लगते
Yes,
हैं.
that's true.
That is absolutely
Yeah.
wow. So
Because they're better groomed, they're
Yeah.
better, well spoken, that sort of thing. Yeah.
and that I think the mannerisms and the
Mannerisms,
etiquettes
yes.
of the men in uniform some
Yes.
कुछ तो अलग है. I mean
So for a 22-year-old, I think that matters.
it matters a lot.
Yeah.
I think even today,
Yes.
I think that's what matters. I mean, you talk to young
Yeah.
girls today, what are they looking for? They're looking for all of this.
Yes.
They're looking for a man who can be a
Yes.
man,
and
men manners, etiquettes, respect for women.
Yes.
So
and also who assures some integrity and
yes. Yeah. And
that's
I think
very
also
important.
stability of career
Yes.
is so important
Important.
because even those times
Yeah.
तो defense services का तो बहुत ही ऐसे माना जाता था कि
Yes.
कि वाह
Yes,
डिफेंस
yes.
में है स्टेबल
I
करियर
remember
है.
that when I got married, the pay scales were really low.
Correct.
So his salary was something like 1,100 rupees. But my father thought the world of it. He said it's a 4-figure salary.
Wow.
So yeah, he was so happy about it that I'm marrying somebody who's got a 4-figure salary.
Amazing.
Which was only 1,100 rupees.
Yeah, I mean, can you imagine? I've heard my dad
Yeah.
also talk like
Yeah.
that, but if somebody is listening to this podcast right now from today's generation, they're like 1,100 1100 क्या हम Blinkit के ऊपर chips और chocolates order करते थे रोज.
Exactly, yeah.
Just
So it
imagine people were spending lives on
Lives.
1100 पे पूरा
Yes.
महीना चलता था.
was- Absolutely.
Wow, those were the days.
Yeah.
And and tell me, what
Yeah.
was the change when you got married from a semi-civil kind of a
Yes,
life to
yes. Uh,
कहाँ
yes,
first
I
posting
mean,
कहाँ गए आप?
so I joined him, after his battalion
अच्छा,
had moved to a field area.
okay.
And this field was in this sector called Chamjoria, which is in J&K, ahead of Jammu, right on the border. Now, what happened was that, in that posting, actually, families were not allowed. But there were a few dilapidated barracks there and so on. So, since we were newlywed, the commanding officer at that time, the commanding officer of the battalion, he said that, why don't you bring your wife along, So I got really,
Wow.
happy, and I said, oh, we'll be together and so on. So sure enough, I packed my bags. My parents were in Delhi,
हाँ.
and I left everything, left my job, packed my bags, got ready to go to Jammu, and then landed up there in this small, tiny little village called Budhwal. Now, this village of Budhwal is right on the border, and that whole area
Yeah.
actually is prone to shelling from the
Uh-huh.
Pakistan side.
Wow.
And but I never thought about all those things. I just said, oh, we're going to be together, so I went. And then when I landed there, I realized that it's only two tiny little barracks, no running water. The barracks are in the middle of the field,
My goodness.
and there are no washrooms. The washrooms were in tents. So after I went there, the CEO agreed, and he built a little tin shed for
Wow.
me, as a washroom and so on. It was all dry sanitation and so on.
Oh,
And I
God.
was the only lady there. I didn't have any kids, so
Huh.
the other ladies had children, so obviously they couldn't be in a
Yeah,
back
yeah.
of beyond place like this. And so we started, living together there. And then I realized that he's hardly ever there. He is on patrols.
Huh.
He's, going to forward areas. He's sometimes off to the brigade headquarters, and he's, everywhere.
Huh.
And I am mostly alone in that barrack in the middle of the mustard fields. With
No
nothing
toilet.
to do, with no toilet, and with the walls of the room also were not plastered in those days.
My
It was just
goodness.
bricks, and literally nothing to do. So I had given up this very happening life in Delhi and gone to a place where
can
it
imagine.
was absolutely
Yeah.
very very lonely, and suddenly I
Yeah, it
realized
hits
that
you.
I'm by myself.
Yeah.
Most of the time, and most of my time is going and waiting for him to come back from somewhere. So that's what happened. But then as we sort of moved on with that, we came around to about October of 1985,
Uh-huh.
30th October.
Uh-huh.
That was when Indira Gandhi was assassinated.
Oh.
And when that happened, as we all know,
Yes.
the whole of Delhi went up in flames.
Yes.
There were
Yes.
riots everywhere, and there was burning in the streets, looting. And the place where my parents were staying, we had a lot of Sikh families in the vicinity. Their houses were being burned down.
Oh my God.
And the whole scenario was very, very frightening and scary. My parents were, excuse me, my parents were having a very tough time.
Oh no.
And that is when suddenly it occurred to me that I'm sitting in a forward area in the lap of Sikh Hilai battalion with about 800 Sikhs around me, and feeling very safe and secure.
Wow.
And I'm just I know that nothing is going to happen to me. So that sort of hit me at that time as another reality.
It's giving me
And
goosebumps.
This
what you
is
just
what
said.
so this is what has been a recurring theme in my life, where I'm feeling alone, lonely, and yet safe and secure.
That
you
is
know?
what army does
So
to you.
this is the recurring this has happened many times over in my
Wow.
life, where
Wow.
I'm by myself managing things, but yet I know that somebody has my back. So that is what happens, I feel, and this is the reality that hit me when I was I would say a bride of whatever, 23
Wow.
or 24. This is what is. But I also realized that I would be by myself a lot. And sure enough, out of all the 42 years, I've been by myself for a
But Mr.
long
Abne,
time,
so beautifully you've summed it up in that
Yes.
one thing that you
Yeah.
were in the middle of Sikh riots. You were
Yes.
alone in a battalion
Yes.
of Sikhlai
Right.
and feeling safe.
Safe. Yes.
You were feeling safe, and I think this is what is army. This is what
Yes.
is, you've just summed it up for all of us, that
Yeah.
as an institution,
Yeah.
I mean, this is one place where you cannot not feel safe.
Yes.
No matter what. I mean, half the times, I have friends who ask me that, like when my husband was commanding, you know, you go to a unit, you in that area, there's a lot of men, because obviously it's a male dominated you know, organization. And you know, you have work, kabhi aap ja rahe ho, so you'll see and Jammu also we would, you know, go with you know, banda with the rifle was also always in the gadi, or somebody else. And too, so she was like, don't you feel odd sometimes you're just surrounded by these men, koi gunman hai, koi kuch hai. I said, I've never thought about it. I said, for all it just makes me feel safe. कि you know, मैंने कभी ऐसे सोचा नहीं, कभी odd तो लगा ही नहीं यार. This was that place of safety.
Yeah, that there is always somebody behind you.
कभी ऐसा
So
लगा
has
ही
your
नहीं.
back.
Correct,
Yes.
correct.
That is the overriding feeling.
So
you
beautifully
get, you know?
you've summed it up. That's amazing. And so that's where you started, and I think that's so beautifully what you said. एक tent वाला, I mean these are those typical कहानियाँ जो हम
Yes.
सबकी किसी ना कहीं ना शादी होके
True.
कहीं गए, फिर वो MES वाला वो घर मिलता है जिसमें सीपेज हो रही है, हाय मेरी मम्मी के कमरे में कूलर
Yes.
लगा होता है, यहाँ पे पंखा भी नहीं चल रहा.
So you know, from being a starry-eyed bride, you know, come down to
Come
Mother
to
Earth
reality.
and reality.
You
Absolutely.
come to reality.
Yeah.
But I think those are the days कि जब कारें नहीं होती थी, हस्बैंड के स्कूटर में,
Yes.
बाइक पे आप घूम रहे हो. वही
Absolutely.
हनीमून था.
Yes.
आपका हनीमून फील्ड एरिया में था.
Yeah, field area. Field area.
Did you
all
go on
field
a
area.
proper honeymoon after
No,
that? Or
I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't even remember where we went and so on. But
वही हनीमून था.
I think we did go to Udaipur or somewhere for 2 days.
2 days.
And then after that he was off
टिक
because
लगाने.
because his leave got over. And
अच्छा.
sure enough, he had to go back to his battalion, which was in Gangtok at that time.
Yeah.
So he went off there. And then I finished my last year of masters,
Yes.
which I was doing.
Yes.
And after that is when this whole story took place, where I went to this place, Chamjodia.
Oh, wow, wow. And then, of course, your husband is been in the arms where, you know, he must have got a lot of field postings.
Yes.
So, आपकी literally, is it literally like आधी जिंदगी?
Yes,
आधी
yes.
जिंदगी इकट्ठे, आधी नहीं?
Yes,
है ना?
absolutely, because it was very alternate, right?
Every alternate.
And there were
yes.
times he went from field to field also.
Field to field also.
So it's almost like half,
So,
half you can
जैसे
say.
जैसे वो कहते हैं,
हाँ.
I've heard this from another infantry officer who said, मैम हमने बच्चों को ऐसे बढ़ते हुए तो देखा नहीं, हमने ऐसे बढ़ते हुए देखा, क्योंकि जब वो हम सुबह जाते निकल जाते हैं तो वो सो रहे होते हैं, जब कभी कई महीनों बाद आते हैं रात को लेट नाइट पहुंचते तब भी वो सो रहे होते हैं.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
बच्चों को
But
हमने
you know,
ऐसे
funnily,
बढ़ते देखा
he
है.
doesn't remember the thing. You know, if
Yeah.
you ask him that, oh, have you been separated a lot from it?
Yeah.
And he'll say, no, we've always been together, you know. And then I have to sit down and make him, you know,
Excuse me?
count the number of years that we haven't been together. you know.
Yeah, you're like,
So,
excuse me, how? Yeah, absolutely. And see, you know, when I see some of my civilian friends, you know, जब जैसे बच्चे छोटे होते हैं, तो कैसे दे गो ऑन पैनिक मोड जब बच्चा बीमार हो जाता है, हस्बैंड को ऑफिस में फोन कर रहे हैं, हस्बैंड वहां से पहुंच रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. And I sometimes think that I think most of the time my girls have got very, very ill and
Yeah,
hospitalized
yes.
for some other
Yes.
reason. I've been alone.
Mm.
I've been
Yes,
alone.
absolutely,
तो वो
yeah.
कुछ ना कुछ
I have also
coordinate
gone through
करके.
this times when my girls, one got pneumonia,
हाँ,
the other got
same,
something, where I ended
same.
up in the military hospital with
In the
them.
MH you are
Yeah,
alone.
Alone, yes.
और फिर वो और कई बार ही अब देखो अब मोबाइल्स आ गए, मेरी भी जब शादी हुई थी तब मोबाइल्स
नहीं
ऐसे
थे.
नहीं थे
हाँ.
इतना कॉमनली, तो मतलब था, लेकिन आई थिंक वो इतना we were
That
not
must have been the beginning
हाँ
of
हाँ
the
वो just like that
revolution.
या करेक्ट. सो बट तो ऐसे नहीं होता था कि आज ये हो रहा है, अब वो हो गया, अभी फीवर इतना है, वो है, मतलब दैट वो आंखों देखा हाल वाली सिचुएशन
Situation
नहीं
नहीं थी,
थी.
yes,
वो
yes.
तो 2-3 बात होती थी,
हम्म.
हाँ यार एमएच में एडमिट हो गया, यार ही इज फाइन, देखते हैं 2-3 दिन बाद
पता है,
डिस्चार्ज
हाँ.
डिस्चार्ज हो गए.
हाँ.
So many women I know जिनके बच्चों की deliveries में
Yes,
husbands have not
husbands
been
were
there.
not there. Yes.
So husbands have not been
yeah.
there.
Yeah.
So this is
But
our
thankfully, I was lucky in that matter.
हाँ, मेरा
He
thank-
did.
Yeah, he was
He
there.
was there for
thankfully.
one, and the other one he turned up the next day. But at least he was
So
there.
sweet. Yeah. Even my case, he's been there, but I know of a lot of friends
Yes,
where
yes,
with,
yes.
you know,
It has happened,
they're
yes.
not been there.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So आप ये बताइए, जब husband अलग थे तो what do you think आपको, of course you know, when you're together and you're starting your life, and especially in the beginning years, you know, before you've had kids, also you must have been alone
Yes,
for some time.
yes, yes.
So did it come to you, did it hit you कि यार ये क्या मैंने life choose कर ली, or were you like I'm fine, this is I'll
No,
manage?
I did have that phase when I felt that whatever I let myself in for, you know,
हाँ.
especially in the beginning years, as you said, you
Yeah.
know. It is a challenge.
It is a
You know,
challenge.
there are many challenges. Also, the challenges differ, you know,
Yeah.
as the days
As
go
you grow.
on, as you grow. as your family, increases and so on. So the challenges tend to differ at different
Especially, I think
times.
when the moment the kids are born and
Yeah.
they are smaller, I
Yes.
mean, they're younger,
Younger,
and
yes.
the initial school years,
School
whatever.
years, yes.
So did you miss that? I
Yes,
wish he was here, and
absolutely.
it would have been
Yes,
easier if he was
absolutely.
here.
Like, see, in the beginning, I used to feel, oh, obviously, when you're in love, that time we were in love. So you feel that, oh, this
Kahan gaya
separation and all is not good, and I want to be together, and all this. And then as you, grow into your householder duties, then it is the challenge of running a house and managing your in-laws and so on. But the single most important, biggest challenge, I would say, is being a single parent. That has been, I feel, is the single most
Yes.
challenge for an army wife. And the reason being because that if you're a single parent, then you're responsible for everything.
Absolutely.
Their health, their education, their entertainment, their discipline. So you become responsible for everything, their
Absolutely.
all-round development, and that is very, very stressful.
Very stressful.
Very
I
stressful.
agree, because
So you feel that you need somebody who would take that load off you sometimes. So of course parents do pitch in and all, but it's not the same as having your partner pitching in as the father.
Of course.
Because grandparents, after all, are grandparents, right? So they're not going to be able to do as much as a partner would do, or the father of the children would do.
And their way is different. They are a little more loving and
Loving,
pampering.
yes,
तो थोड़ा
they
उनका
tend
अलग
to
style होता
pamper
है.
more. Their style is different.
Yeah.
Whereas your requirements at that
Yeah.
particular time are
Yeah.
different. So I feel that is the single most,
I
the
agree.
biggest challenge.
I think half the time Fauji wives are bringing up
Yes.
children as single mothers.
single mothers. Yeah.
And it's very challenging,
Yeah.
especially because these little everyday things are the things that are
Yeah.
building up the characters of your children.
Exactly.
They are the character building. वो जो चीजें
Yeah.
होती हैं, वो homework कर रहे हो, etiquettes,
Yes,
manners,
yes.
ये वो खाना मतलब
Yes.
so many things, and literally you are doing all of them
Everything.
single-handedly
Yes.
when your husbands
Yes.
are away. Baki, of course, all
Yeah.
this, and it can be overwhelming.
Yeah.
It can, because it's
No,
everyday
actually,
things.
Today, many times when I think back, I feel that I was so overwhelmed by this responsibility. And I wanted to do everything the right way, that I actually forgot to enjoy their childhood. So now I have decided I have to enjoy my grandchildren. Because at that time I was so overwhelmed by this and stressed out by this responsibility angle that I forgot to really enjoy, to enjoy that
I think-
growing up, to enjoy their childhood.
ये तो आपने
So
बिल्कुल सही बोला. I think मुझे लगता है ये तो हम सारी mothers की
Mothers का-
पुरानी बीमारी है.
yes,
That thing of being the perfect
Perfect
mothers
mother,
and the perfect
yes.
housewives and the
Yes,
perfect,
perfect
कि घर भी
everything.
सही हो, बच्चे भी
Yes.
सही हो, सब
They
चमकने
should
होने
be-
चाहिए. चमकता
they
हुआ
should be
रहे.
good in their studies.
हाँ.
They should be doing their homework. They should be well dressed,
डांट
well
मारने में आधी
groomed.
जिंदगी निकाल दी.
Yes.
पहले डांट खाने में लगा दी माँ बाप से, डांट
Absolutely,
मारने में.
yes.
है ना?
So I do feel bad sometimes that I missed on that enjoyment part of
Yeah.
that growing up.
Yeah.
So, but that's the thing that came with being a single parent.
Yes.
More
And
than-
were you also working at that time?
Yes, very
शुरू
much.
में
Very
आपने
much.
when did
yes.
you start working?
I
After your
started
kids or-
working immediately after my first daughter was born. She was
Acha.
3 months when
Oh,
I
wonderful.
actually started my first regular job.
And you were
And
working
then
as
after that, I started teaching.
as a teacher. Yeah.
And then I continued in that field for all these years. So every time that I was alone, I was also holding a job.
Wow.
Yeah.
So when you started working and your husband was away,
Yes.
so how did you manage the kids? Did you have parents to come and support you?
Not
or
always.
kuch na
They
kuch?
would come off and on.
and off,
And
on
also,
off.
if there was some trouble, for example, if
Haan.
one was sick or something, then my mother
Mother
would come.
Otherwise, you would just manage.
But I would
somehow.
manage,
Yeah.
and I would try and get some local help and so
yeah.
on.
Yeah.
But I was very sure that I
Karna
had
hai.
to work because I would. Also, my mother was a working woman.
Oh, so
So, I knew how she managed, when we were growing up and so on. So, I didn't think that it was something out of the way that I was doing.
so for you,
If mom had done it, then I could very well do it too,
so we
you
I think that
So,
makes a lot of difference because
yes.
for you it was a way of life. कि
It was a
भाई
way of
बच्चे
life.
भी संभल जाएंगे,
Yes.
जॉब भी करना है,
Job
हस्बैंड
भी
अपना
कर-
कर रहा है,
yes,
मैंने
yes.
करना ही करना है.
And we were brought up like that, my
You were
sister and I. My
Okay.
parents brought up like that you have to be on your own feet and you have to be earning at all times. You have to have your own things. My father was very, very clear about that. He said, don't think that your husband is going to be supporting you all
Yeah.
the time. So it's
Yeah.
your duty also to contribute towards
Yeah.
the family coffers, so to say.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course. And I
Yeah.
think
and also it is equally important for the men to contribute in the housework. You know.
well said, Mrs. Aramne.
Yes. So.
और इसी बात पे ये हमारे पॉडकास्ट का हाई पॉइंट है.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that is how it was. Yes.
Yes, yeah. And I think it makes a lot of difference. Like you had a mom who was working.
Yes.
So I think that makes it because
Yes.
you've seen it all your life.
Yes.
So it was not, like you said, it was nothing new to you.
Yeah.
You were
And
like,
also,
sab
apart
karna
from
hai.
my mom, my mother-in-law was also a working woman. You know?
So fir
So she also understood.
understood.
My father-in-law understood. All the family understood that
Yeah.
yes, she has to be working. You know.
Yeah,
So that's how we proceed. So
So
I never had to face this challenge where you have to fight your in-laws because you want to go out to work and so on. I never had those kind of challenges.
Yeah, and you knew that I have to juggle it around. कैसे
Yes.
करना है, but करना है
Yes,
मुझे.
yes.
There was never a doubt कि
Yes.
मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
No,
For you,
no.
it was करना तो है ही.
Yes,
जैसे तैसे.
absolutely. There was no choice. I mean, I had not given myself that choice
Yeah,
at all.
right from the beginning.
Right. From the
Wow,
beginning,
that's wonderful. But this brings me to the question which we have very commonly. We see the change happening in the army now. See, in our times, Mr. Ramne, आपके time में भी, I'm sure not a lot of women were working, है ना?
No.
Not a lot of women.
No,
मेरी
not at
mother
all.
के time में, like I know कि बहुत ही कम थी.
Yes.
आपके time में
Even
थोड़ा
in my
आया
time,
होगा.
not,
भी कम,
yeah,
है ना?
very few.
Very
used to be
few.
working.
And मेरे time तक आते आते we have a lot of working
Yes.
women, and now the next generation even more. Most of the wives are working.
Absolutely.
And I have to say this, that for an army wife, this career thing can be quite, because you are constantly moving. So if you want to stay with your husband, you cannot have a stability of your own career. A
Yes.
lot of women I've seen who
Yes.
sacrifice their careers कि हमें तो husband के साथ रहना, नहीं तो क्या life है, बच्चों को father की ज़रूरत है, all of that. So they've moved around everywhere. There are women who've moved around even in the field जहाँ allowed है वहाँ तक. They have moved. But a lot of them, and a lot of them have given up careers and moved. But now we see the change happening. A lot of women choose कि भाई मैंने इतनी पढ़ाई करी है, मेरी भी ये qualification है, मुझे भी करना है. And like you're saying, to contribute to the income, because we are living in different times. We have different, desires. We have different things that we want from our lives, aspirations. So we are looking for, more, and why not? So women are choosing, a lot of army wives are now choosing to stay in one place.
Yes.
कि मैं भैया यहीं बैठी हूँ, तुम अपना घूमो फिरो, छुट्टी पे आओ, do your work and come back. So what do you think, like, sometimes, I mean, obviously it's like to each his own. Everybody has a right to choose what they want according to what they want. But ये thought process of course आता है कि अगर कहीं ना कहीं you're missing out, या तो तुम अपने husband के साथ रहना, father के साथ रहना miss कर रहे हो, या तुम career miss कर रहे हो. So what do you say about that? Where do you draw the balance?
Yeah. No, I think it's really a matter of individual choice, as you
correct,
said.
Correct.
But my take on this is that if you have made a choice, if you have decided to be a career person and you have decided that you want to stay on your own and this thing, then be happy with the choice you've made. Then you shouldn't, be cribbing about, him not being there and, cribbing about having to do everything on your own. If you have decided to soft pedal on your career and join your husband wherever he goes, then be happy with that choice. Then don't, angst about, or fret about not having a career, or don't fret about, oh, my batchmates have reached, have become CEOs and look where I am, So don't get into the despondency. You have made a choice.
Correct.
Okay. So be happy with the choice you have made and make the best of it. Now, luckily, these days, you can have the best of both worlds because you can do some online work, and there are so many other, avenues open to you today. So maybe try some of that. But whatever you do, be happy with what you do. That is,
I think the key,
I feel.
Yeah.
And second thing that also I would say to people who choose to, stay in one place, to ladies who choose to stay in one place and not move around with their husbands, you have to think of what rules of engagement you are going to have with each other, in the sense, it's very easy, if you have a career of your own, if you have your besties around, you have good colleagues, you're doing well, you're earning well, it's very easy not to feel the need for that partner,
to forget the man.
So what happens is, over a period of time, it can happen from the man's side as well.
Correct.
So over time, what happens is you start to drift apart, So you have to actually make, if you're having a distant marriage, then you have to actually make more effort to be close to each other, to be emotionally present for each other, to be there, present in each other's lives. You know, so when you decide, you know, whether you want to be alone or whether you want to join, think of all these aspects as well. You know, think
Yeah.
of how you're going to do it.
Yeah.
Think of how you're going to manage to be a couple, or you know, be lead a life which is still together, you know,
Together.
while you do your own thing.
Yeah, and I think today's day and age with social media and with all of this,
Yes.
it's very easy to be in touch. And
Yeah.
I mean, ये नहीं है कि आप
Yes.
communicate नहीं कर सकते हो.
हाँ,
It can
yes.
be very easily done if
Done,
you want to
yes.
do it.
And,
And-
maybe you need to prioritize each other in different ways.
Yeah.
But you still need to prioritize
Yeah.
each other. You
Yeah.
know, that's what I feel.
That हाँ,
Otherwise, it's very, very easy to drift apart.
out of sight, out of mind नहीं होना चाहिए.
You drift apart because you're not there for
Yeah.
each other in an everyday basis, right?
हाँ,
So, and you have found alternatives. You found a
Yes.
bestie,
yeah.
you know, at work. You know, a colleague who's always there for you, will come running to
Yes.
help you when your child
Yes.
is unwell and so on. So you don't feel the need for
Yes.
your partner anymore.
Yeah.
You know?
So
So,
continue to share the everyday little stories,
stories,
what's happening and all,
yes.
not to keep
Yeah.
each other out of
Exactly.
date about
so
what's
make
happening.
that little extra effort to be present
Yeah.
emotionally for each other. That's what is
Very
more
very well
important.
said, and I think very much
Yeah.
need of the hour.
Yes.
Because marriages are growing apart.
yes.
They are going distant, just
Yes.
like not just in the army, everywhere.
Yes, yes.
And long distance marriages are a
Yeah.
very normal thing
Yeah.
nowadays.
And also, what happens is like when you are you get used to being alone and doing
Yeah.
everything by yourself.
yeah,
Even a very small suggestion by the partner seems like an interference.
Mr.
You know-
Naram ne-
Seriously, because you feel that I always manage on my own. Now, why does this man have to come and give me this,
yes,
this advice? You
I-
know,
I
or,
think-
give this thing. So that's where you need to
I think
strike a
I would
balance.
say I'm guilty there. After 2 years of field posting, my husband has just come back.
Yeah.
And now whatever suggestions he gives around, I'm like, ये ऐसे ही चल रहा था अभी, don't tell me what to do.
Yes, that's a very natural
Oh, बेचारा.
reaction.
He's like,
Yeah.
after a few days he'll stop giving the suggestions. Poor
Suggestions.
man. He's like,
Yeah.
मेरी तो किसी ने सुननी नहीं है.
Yeah.
That is so true. And आपके टाइम में आप कैसे करते थे cope? Because आपका तो not only long distance बहुत बार था,
Yes.
but also that was not the time of mobiles and social
Yes,
media.
yes.
How did you keep the sparks alive?
Well, we wrote a lot of letters.
Wow.
And then today I have this bundles of letters lying with me, which I'm trying to hide here and there so that it does not fall into anybody else's hands.
So sweet.
Yeah.
So
But yes, we
sweet.
did write letters, and we wrote copiously, like, in the early days we used to write almost 2-3 times a week.
Wow.
You know? And then the letters would of course reach all together sometimes, or would reach after 2 weeks because of our field postal
How
service.
sweet.
But yes, that was actually the only way,
Only way.
to keep
And
in
देखो
touch.
मिस नरावने, अगर आप उस टाइम में मुश्किल था.
Yes.
Letter writing is a beautiful thing.
Yes.
But you take out time. It's a task. मतलब
Task,
आप
yes.
बैठ के अच्छे से चिट्ठी, और लंबी लंबी चिट्ठियाँ सब लिखते थे.
Yes,
हमने
yes.
भी शुरू में बहुत चिट्ठियाँ लिखी हैं.
Yeah.
अब वो cringy लगती है.
Yes, I know. Now when you read, I say, oh God, this is what I
इतना
said. So much of love.
कहाँ गया?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
But
that's
yes,
true.
those were the days. Yeah, we
But
used to
see-
wait for the postman, and wait
Yeah.
for the
That excitement.
letters to come.
कि चिट्ठी आई है.
Yes, yes, and then
yeah.
when the letters to come, then 2-3 days used to be nice.
Nice.
You know?
And you would make the kids
Yeah.
also write.
Right. Yes.
I remember my mom would tell me if my dad was because my dad is also from the army. So she would tell me, अच्छा एक जल्दी से इसमें एक
Yes.
छोटा सा लिख दो कुछ, तो we would
कुछ,
make a
yeah.
little drawing in the
Drawing
England
or
letter
something,
or something that, oh, we
Yeah.
miss you, Papa, something
Yes,
करके,
yes,
and you
yes.
would send the
it
chitti.
off. Yes,
And
yes.
I remember my dadi, she could only read Punjabi. मुझे एक ही शब्द आता था उनका नाम लिखना, बीजी हम उनको बोलते थे, बीबी जी. So and सत श्री अकाल और something, 2 चीज़ें मेरी माँ ने मुझे सिखाई थी पंजाबी में कि ऐसे लिखते हैं. In that letter obviously it was English में, but वो मैं सत श्री अकाल बीबी जी पंजाबी में ज़रूर, जब मैं हॉस्टल में थी तो मैं ज़रूर लिख देती थी. तो so she would feel very
Feel
important
happy
कि I have been
about it.
mentioned.
Yes,
that
yes.
my
Yeah,
name
that was
is
the power
mentioned.
of letter writing, right?
Yeah.
In those days.
So
Absolutely,
it was such a beautiful
yeah.
thing. And तो आपको ये talking about long distance and everything, अभी आर्मी में भी देखो बच्चों का जब स्कूलिंग शुरू होता है, जैसे हमारे बच्चों ने देखो, I think my kids have changed like 8-10 schools.
Yes.
है ना? And number of years must be less, schools
Yes.
must be more.
Absolutely.
Mid-session.
Yes.
How tough was it for the children?
Yeah.
I mean, especially because I'm asking you because your husband was in the field a lot of times. A lot
Yes,
of
yes.
infantry officers, armored officers
Yeah.
are, you know, away.
Yeah, yeah.
So children, एक तो बच्चे देखते
Yes.
नहीं है, dad नहीं है, वो one thing.
Hmm.
Plus so many times changing
Yes,
school.
yes.
How
No,
how did you manage your children and how did the children react? उनको कैसे आप फौजी way of life में बच्चों को adjust
Yeah,
कराते थे?
So yeah, it is a challenge because you know your every new place you go to, you have to start by looking for the good school,
Yeah.
and you have to find then sometimes the schools don't want to take your children, and all those admission issues
Yeah,
are there. It's
major.
not easy. So my kids also moved a number of times, but when they, like every other army wife, when they came to the senior classes, then I stayed put in one place.
Yeah.
So I didn't move for 7-8
Yeah.
years, and I too had a job. So
Yeah.
we continued for about 8 to 9 years till they finished all their education. And the challenge is of course there because you're moving mid-session, and then some of the syllabus is already over, or something, or you go to another state, then the rules there are different and a new language gets introduced.
Yeah.
So that again becomes a problem for the children, so all these things. But if you look at the sum total of the whole
Haan.
thing, is I feel that the children, because they have gone through all these
Hmm.
disturbances, I won't say
Hmm.
disturbing, but the disturbances in their schooling, they also come out more resilient,
Yes. Absolutely.
more adaptable.
Yes.
They adapt easily, they're more resilient to change.
Yes.
They make new friends more easily.
Hmm.
Also they have exposure to so many places, and
Yes,
so many
different
people,
cultures.
so many different cultures. So in the sum total of it, I feel that it has done them more good than harm.
Yes. अलग ही grooming हो जाती है उनकी,
हाँ.
है ना?
So that is that's how I always looked at it, and that's what I feel in retrospect also, that in some ways it
हाँ,
was
it
good,
helps. अभी कितने fields में
Yeah.
फौजियों के बच्चे कितना excel कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
आधी Miss India फौजियों
फौजी
की
हो गए,
बेटियां ही हैं.
exactly.
And
and also
that's true.
the emotional resilience,
Yeah.
that you can't crumble at the slightest
Yes.
difficulty that comes your way, but
हाँ.
rise up to the thing, summon all your courage and go through with it.
And I think
So-
over a period of time, our kids also start looking for they look forward to the change. I
Change,
remember
yes.
my daughters, they would when we were posted in Goa that time, they were like, अभी 2 years हो गए, पापा की posting नहीं आई.
Yes, yes.
पापा की
Every
posting
2
नहीं
years
आई.
they get restless.
They get
Why
restless.
are they not?
कि where are we going next?
Very
So
true. Yeah.
it's, I think they have adapted it.
Adapted themselves.
We think वो बेचारे कहीं उनको मुश्किल तो नहीं हो रही, but I think they are more resilient than we
Yes,
think
yes.
of them to be.
Absolutely,
है ना?
yeah.
They also learn to
Yeah.
be a little tougher.
So
हम भी,
although
I-
at that particular time there are all these irritations are
irritations,
there, but
yeah.
in the long run it all
Absolutely.
falls into place, I feel.
Correct. Mr.
Yeah.
Ramne, you have seen Forge across so many decades. You, as a captain's wife से लेके to the peak of an officer's career जो हो सकता है Forge में, a chief of army staff. Your
Yes.
husband retired as the chief of army staff, which is of course one in many.
Mm.
And तो आपने beginning ground level से देख के
Yes.
पूरा peak तक आपने उनका career देखा, आप उनके साथ grow करे, आपने फौज को बदलते हुए देखा.
Yes.
बहुत कुछ बदला है फौज में, बहुत कुछ इवॉल्व हुआ. इनफैक्ट जब आपके लास्ट 2 years से इट वाज द वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट टाइम्स
Yeah.
फॉर ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड
Yes.
ग्लोबली. इट वाज द कोविड टाइम इज व्हेन जनरल रावने वाज चीफ.
Mm.
सो बहुत कुछ बदला है आर्मी में इतने सालों में. हमने ही देखा है फौजी
Yes.
बच्चों से लेकर अभी तक. तो
Yes.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैज इवॉल्वड, हाउ आर्मी हैज इवॉल्वड, इज इट स्टिल इवॉल्विंग?
Yeah.
Do you think some things should change, some things are still rigid, or do you think some
Yes.
things are the real, तो वो जो होता है ना आर्मी का एक ethos,
Yes.
एक इंटेग्रिटी है, जो कुछ चीजें ऐसी है जो बदलनी चाहिए भी नहीं.
Yes.
तो आपको क्या लगता है आर्मी कैसे इवॉल्व हो रही है, गुड फॉर द बैड, हाउ when moving
I
times?
feel all change. See, change is constant.
Yes,
Priya.
yes.
That's the only thing in our lives that is constant is change.
Hmm.
So it is going to change. It is
Hmm.
going to evolve.
Hmm.
And the army is no exception to this.
Hmm.
So in the army also, like in the now, there's so many changes. There better facilities are there, better
Hmm.
connectivity is
Hmm.
there. Better.
Absolutely.
Everything. To travel has become easier
Yes.
as compared to what it was before.
Hmm.
If you had needed 4 days to get to Jammu, now you get there in a few hours time.
Yes.
And so on. So things have changed for the
Hmm.
better. Everything is evolved, and the way the army works is also changing
Hmm.
according to changing times. Right?
Yes.
So, as I said, change
It's
is going to
constant.
happen. And you have to
Yeah.
accept that fact. Coming to your question of whether what should remain constant,
Hmm.
So, of course, since I'm old-fashioned, I think
Yeah.
integrity, ethos,
Of
should
course.
all be maintained. Decorum should be maintained. But there's one thing in the which distinguishes the army from all other services, I would say, and that is that feeling of brotherhood. Also the camaraderie, the kinship, and so on. So, apart from everything else, even if you let go of everything, this is the one thing that we should not let go of, I feel. Because this is what distinguishes us,
Yes.
from everything. If you ask a retired person, say a retired lady, if you ask her, what is it that you miss of the army? This is my favorite question to a lot of retired people.
Really?
When
Yeah.
he was in service,
Yes.
and I used to meet the veterans,
Huh.
I used to always ask,
Huh.
what do you miss, of the
Huh.
army? And the one thing they would say is that, oh, the camaraderie.
Wow. Wow.
We miss the the friendships, we miss this. Now, if this is the thing that you're going to miss, then it while you're in service, don't let go of it.
Don't let go.
Don't let go of it. Now, today what is happening is that we are, life is becoming about me, mine, and myself.
True.
My, me, my husband, my children, my career, my wellness, my emotional peace, my me time, which usually translates to scrolling time, I think.
Agree.
So, we are thinking
Yes.
of all this, and then forgetting to participate in, in the greater community,
Yes.
activity or
Activities. Yeah.
so on, unwilling to give time to that, time and energy. But let me tell you that once you're out of it,
You'll
this is what you're going to miss, So this is the one thing I feel we should not compromise, and this is the one thing we should not let go. Of course, at the end of the day, it is an individual choice, whether you want to know the name of your neighbors or whether you want to be, friendly with your neighbors or not. It's an individual choice, I agree. But this is what you're going to miss
Yeah.
when you go. So why not enjoy it while you're there?
While you're there.
While you're there,
True.
So that is, I feel, the primary thing
Yes.
in my head, that this is what we should not let go.
Very well said, Ms. Ravna. And I think that's absolutely true. And this whole talking about community, this whole thing about brotherhood, community, yes, we tend to lose track of it.
Yes.
But then when you see कुछ ऐसा time आता है, जैसे हाल ही में we saw a very tense time,
Yes.
the cross-border
Cross-border,
situation that was
yes.
there. It was extremely tense. In
Yes.
today's, मतलब कई लोगों ने, कई बच्चों ने तो पहली बार देखा होगा जो ये situation हो रहा है इस वक्त. तो उस time में we suddenly saw that whole
Yes.
brotherhood come back alive. Everybody was like, oh my God, together. And not just, of course, within the army, we were
Yes.
all there for each other.
Yes,
And,
yeah.
we knew किसके husband बाहर हैं, we were all there for support. Civil community से
Yes.
social media का ज़माना है, तो it was all over the place.
Yes,
that whole
yes.
patriotism was there, and हम साथ में हैं, जाके लड़ो, ये है वो है, तो बहुत वो हो रहा था, बहुत
Yes,
ज़्यादा
lot of hype.
hype बहुत ज़्यादा था. And मतलब as an army wife, I can say that I knew of women whose husbands were out there and they were scared, they were fearful. So while you go out and say that, yeah, we are with you and go fight and all of that, even wives were being very brave and saying कि हाँ भी जाके लड़ो, but deep inside हर फौजी wife के मन में, parent के मन में एक fear है,
Yes.
because सिर्फ हमें पता है the weight of the consequences that happen. We've seen our families suffer for years, we've seen children suffer, we've seen so many, and that वो सब वो बाकी जो दुनिया है उसको नज़र नहीं आती, वो सोशल मीडिया भूल जाता है, बड़ी जल्दी भूल जाता है. इनफैक्ट मुझे याद है जल नरावने का उस टाइम एक बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट आया था where he said that it's not a Bollywood movie going on, so please stop creating this hype, something like that he said.
Absolutely.
So Ms. Naravne, I want to ask you that do you think why do you think we army wives are always expected to show that brave front ki haan bhai, we are there, but why can't we show a vulnerable side in such times? Why can't we go out and there that say that bhai, we ultimately we don't want war, we don't want this, because we are the ones who will suffer. We know हमारे बच्चे, हमारी life, हमारे parents
Yes.
कि ये we are most vulnerable.
Yes. What happens, I mean, the fact is that, and it is recognized by armies all over the world, is that the morale of the families affects the morale of the soldier who's fighting at the front, So if you start to buckle under the pressure and also start to, uh, openly show your vulnerability and uh, start to spread despondency amongst your own people. Like say if one person starts to become vulnerable, then many others will
Yes.
do that.
Yes.
So if that sort of starts kind of a domino effect, then that is going to affect the working or
Soldiers who
the
are at
operation, the morale of the
Yeah.
soldiers and the ones who are in the operation. So it might make matters worse instead of making matters better. So that is the reason why it is discouraged.
Yes.
But that doesn't mean that there is a written rule that you cannot say that you are scared. Of course you are, and all of us are. I
Yes.
remember, I've had panic moments too, and I've been extremely vulnerable in certain situations. I do remember one time when Manoj was posted in Sri Lanka in the IPKF operations, and he was posted in a place called Trincomalee. And at that time, my older daughter, she was only 2 years old, or even less than 2, I forget. And then one day I was putting her to bed, and then this TV was on, which was giving, to the 9 o'clock news, the night 9 o'clock news. And there suddenly this news reader said that there have been multiple serial blasts in Trincomalee, and then they showed the pictures, of these dead bodies and all these, limbs and all these things lying scattered, and very graphic, in very graphic detail, And I was putting her to bed, and I suddenly see this thing, and I read that, this bomb blast in Trincomalee, and that was enough to give me like a panic attack, And I remember I just gathered my child, and I locked the house, and I went out to a neighbor's place, and they had a phone there, and the neighbor had a phone. Those days, all of us, not all, each family had a phone, so there was a phone in the neighboring block.
Yeah.
So I went there and I requested that gentleman there. It was a colonel, I forget what his name was, that, could you find out more about this? And because my husband's battalion is in Trincomalee, so what is the situation there? I'd like to know. And then he was very kind. He realized that I was in a real, state. I'd worked myself up in a real state. And then he helped me to get in touch with somebody who knew somebody, and through the army channels, they found out more and what had happened and so on. And then they told me that everything is
He's fine,
okay. He's
yeah.
fine. The battalion is safe. There haven't been casualties in the battalion and so on. So these kind of things. So I have been in these situations as well. But I also feel that if you really every time that there is an operation, if you really start
Panicking,
then it is going to finally reflect in the in the soldier's mind as well.
Yes.
So that is the reason I feel we should underplay this and not overplay at the time when action is taking place.
Also, I think by default, also I think over the years, I mean, of course, young officers' wives जिनकी अभी शादी हुई है,
Yes.
ऐसा situation, they
of
get,
course,
of course,
yes.
it's understandable.
Yes.
कभी देखा नहीं,
Yes.
and they panic.
Yes.
But हमारी age तक आते थे ना, we become, I think, more resilient.
Yes.
When we see our husbands going on border and all, we
Yeah.
are a little more calmer. I think we just know कि okay, it'll be fine. We just go on the default mode कि सब ठीक है, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. We're like that.
Yeah.
We don't let ourselves come out of that default mode.
See, everybody has a different coping mechanism.
Yeah, of course.
So this stress is there for everybody.
Yeah.
But how each one copes with it is different. So for me, what worked was that I did not overthink. Because he's in JNK now. If I sit down every day and I overthink कि अभी क्या हो रहा है, what operation is happening, what coordinate search is happening, what IED blast is happening.
Yes.
If I sit and overthink every single day, then it will be impossible for me to live,
True.
to raise my kids, and it will be impossible to live the day-to-day life, So I decided that I'll not overthink. Whatever will happen.
Yeah.
But let me not start to overthink and make myself and everybody around me miserable.
Yeah.
So that worked for me. Now,
Yes.
of course, as I said, it doesn't. It's so different for different
Yes,
people.
of course,
But
of
I think
course.
each one has to find some way of coping with this.
Yes.
Yes.
And I think we and the army also have a very strong support group within the
Yes.
wives community.
Wives community.
We have,
also.
we in fact formally also we have the
Yes.
Army Wives Welfare Association, which is I
Yes.
must tell my viewers AWA, which is called AWA. Army has the AWA and Navy has
the NAWA.
and Air Force has the AFWA.
Yes.
So these are organizations which support the families and the wives of the officers, and a lot of things are done. And
Yes.
Ms. Naravne being the chief of being the wife
Mm.
of General Naravne, the ex-chief of Army Staff, you have been the president
Yes.
of AWA till
That's
the
right.
time he was the army chief. And I must tell my viewers, being the president of AWA is, if I may say, is as busy, if not more, as the army chief himself. That position is
Yes.
as busy, and she's not paid for it.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it's absolutely voluntary work. In fact, of course, she must have been extremely busy. All presidents of AWA, all ladies who've been there have been extremely busy, and so is their entire team who works with them, all the
Yes.
women. And all these women, I have to tell my viewers, are all doing a voluntary work for the families and of the children, the war widows, everybody. This is all voluntary work that AWA does. No women, no ladies are paid for it.
Yes.
So,
It's a labor
it's-
of love.
it's a labor of love, and they do it with so much I would say
Yeah.
sincerity and dedication.
Yes. Absolutely.
And so much work is being done. And Miss Naravne, would you like to share and tell our viewers who don't know anything about AWA ki AWA kya kuch karti hai, kya kya? It's such an amazing institution.
See, AWA, has a mandate.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it is a registered NGO.
Hmm.
So it has a mandate, and the mandate is very clear.
Yeah.
First, it has to help the its beneficiaries.
Yeah.
Which are the children, the widows, the serving families. The families of the serving army men.
Hmm.
So it has to look after their welfare. That is number one.
Hmm.
Second mandate is that it has to look after special children.
Yeah.
And third mandate is that it has to empower the next of kin of the army man. So these are the three things.
Main things,
These are the three main things that AWA does. And it has various schemes, it has various ways in which, now it might have empowerment schemes, it might have training, like the vocational training centers. Then it also has special schools that come under it, So it employs various means and methods to, sort of work for the mandate for which it has
Yes.
been formed.
Yes.
Right? So you have like the schemes, scholarship schemes.
Yeah.
You have grants which the AWA gives to the widows, their daughters. Even the grants given to buy computers. For the children of the widows and so on. So innumerable schemes are there
Yes.
for which
Yes.
the AWA, employs in to fulfill its mandate.
Yes.
So that is basically
is-
what it is.
And
Yes.
I think it's just brilliant work. And when shuru mein to, of course, as a young officer's wife, हमें भी इतना नहीं knowledge था, but when my husband was commanding as a CO in Jammu, is when I was also very involved with the AWA activities that were going on in the station.
Yeah.
And I have to say that some of the things that we started working that's when I realized the impact
Yes.
that it has on the families.
Yeah.
Of how you support the next of kin.
Yes.
And how people come with so much gratitude to you.
Yes.
That आपने ये कर दिया, thank you, हमारा तो
Yes.
इतना सालों से अटका पड़ा था, ये solve हो गया.
Yeah.
Not just that, even just the empowering of women. They were,
Yes.
we were running at that time a campaign called the Start Your Education Again. So there are a lot
Yes.
of our families, a lot of Jawan's wives who could not complete their education. They come from rural areas.
Yes.
A lot of them are either 10th pass or 12th pass या college नहीं करा या नहीं करा. So we started this thing of helping them to do correspondence से college करो या फिर 12th करो. वो सब हमने शुरू करा. And there was this lady, her children were now in college. Very senior, मेरे से बहुत बड़ी थी वो. I think 12th में थे बच्चे या कुछ. She had only done 10th. And by the time our tenure was finishing, मुझे नहीं पता था कौन उसमें आया. कई लोगों ने enroll करा. By the time we were finishing on our farewell, she walked up to
Yes.
me with a bouquet of flowers and she said, आपके कहने पे ना मैंने 12th के बोर्ड एग्जाम दिए हैं, अब मैं कॉलेज करने वाली हूँ.
Yes. See.
मेरे आंखों में से अभी मुझे goosebumps हो रहे हैं.
Yes.
And after years later, I met
Yes.
another lady at another station
Yes.
who came to meet me after the AWA meet
Hmm.
specially, and she said, आप जम्मू में थे, आपने spoken English का कोर्स करा
Yes.
था, तो मैंने करा और थैंक यू सो मच मैडम.
Yeah.
अब मैं अपने बच्चे की पीटीएम में
Yes.
टीचर से इंग्लिश में बात कर पाती हूँ.
Yeah.
आई मीन मेरे को अभी
Yes.
गूज़बम्स. दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ
This is the kind of
empowerment.
impact. Yes.
This is empowerment.
Absolutely.
This is how you inspire people.
Yes.
If you've managed to change, आप सबके लिए कर रहे हो. एक दो जनों की भी जिंदगी बदल
Yes,
गई है
yes,
तो
yes,
आपका काम
yes.
सफल है.
That's what I'm saying. You know, so
Yeah.
the you can really contribute if
Yeah.
you want to.
Yeah.
And I've also seen some very inspiring
हाँ.
things that I know that commanding officers' wives have done, and a lot of
Hmm.
other volunteers have done. And one of my favorite stories is of this of this lady who I think she was a CEO's wife,
Hmm.
and she realized that when she used to go and meet the families used to complain only about one thing,
Hmm.
that the Cerelac
Hmm.
is running out of in the unit canteen.
अच्छा.
Now this was a unit which was somewhere in Assam or somewhere,
Acha.
in a remote place.
हाँ.
So there were a lot of families there,
Yeah.
and there were these all the families with little babies.
Yes.
So every month the Cerelac tins would be over, and then there would be some ladies left who were not able to get Cerelac for their kids,
Hmm.
So this lady then she actually conducted a survey, of how many babies there are in the battalion and how many dabbas they need per month and so
Huh.
on. And then she realized that they are really consuming a lot of this ready-made baby food,
Oh.
And then she actually ran a campaign all on her own. What she used to do is that she perfected a recipe book of 10 odd recipes of baby food that you can make at home,
Hmm.
And whenever, and then she used to go to these families along with the volunteers and teach these ladies to make that baby food at home,
Wow. Amazing.
Wow. Using ragi flour and using,
Yeah.
your pumpkin
Rice atta,
seeds,
yeah,
and
all of
all
that,
those
yeah.
healthy millet flour and so on. And she taught them how to make this baby food at home,
Amazing.
And then she again conducted a survey of 6 months, and she showed me how the consumption of these Cerelac tins
Is
had
reduced.
dropped,
Wow.
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
So I thought it was an amazing contribution,
Amazing
contribution to get these families off the ready-made baby
Yes.
food, which is expensive,
Yes.
and also we don't know what
We don't know what it
and also it
has.
has a high content
Yes.
of sugar, So she got them to start this, this, and she had 10 odd recipes. Like
Wow.
one was for this baby, ready-made
Yes.
baby ragi food, and she had
Yes.
how to make the khichdi, how to make soups for the babies and so on. So she gave them each one of these, in their language. She got
Correct.
it translated into the language that they understood.
Wow.
And she gave them each these recipe books. She conducted these, workshops to show them how to make it and so on, And within a few months, the
See.
consumption had dropped,
Amazing.
So it's an amazing, and this is all done by her and the volunteers.
Yes, volunteers. So
So this is the
amazing.
kind of impact,
You have. Yeah.
and measurable impact that you can have.
Yeah, I also, I mean, those,
So-
I can't forget those incidents ever, and
Yeah.
I feel that was one of my true achievements. कि मैं
Achievements, yes.
किसी को educate कर पाए आप,
Absolutely.
और it's brilliant.
And having said that, also,
Yeah,
ABBA
no,
has also evolved
ABBA,
over the,
of course.
Like in the 60s, it was, just, it was formed to, sort of help with the widows of the 65 war and so on. So then over, maybe somewhere around the, then in those days, a lot of families came from rural area, and they were not educated. So, to teach them basic grooming skills and how to dress and, how to keep their houses clean, how to decorate or whatever, these kind of home based skills had to be imparted, because
Yeah.
most of these, Jawan's wives, they were not educated in those days.
Yes.
And they were married off very early.
Yeah.
So that kind of support was given by ABBA.
Yeah.
And then they were taught to, knit and, sew
Yeah.
and so on. Then later on in the 80s, a lot of emphasis came on, skilling them, so
Vocational
teach
skills.
them, teach them some,
yeah.
sewing, or, maybe some nursery teachers training
Yeah.
or something. So that was that
Yeah,
time,
that's how
because
it's
that was
evolved.
the requirement in the 80s and 90s.
90s.
Then there was a time when a lot of work started being done for the special children, because you
Yeah.
realize that there are a lot of special children in
Yeah.
the in all the stations.
Courses, yeah.
So then the Asha schools were set up, and people started thinking of more for these children.
Yeah.
So that's how it
It's
evolves.
evolved, yes.
Now the thing is that all the wives mostly
Are
a
educated.
large percentage is
Hmm.
educated, so it's no point trying to teach them house skills,
Yes.
they're already educated, they know how to do
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
so now is the time probably, what I feel is that
Yeah.
to create opportunities for
Yes.
them,
Yes.
to because army wise, as I always said, the one thing that sort of they cannot do is networking. So
True.
because of frequent moves and so
Yeah.
on, so one of the things that
jata
our now looks
Yeah.
at is to do the networking for them, so
Yeah.
that they can then avail of those
Resources.
opportunities
Yeah.
and resources and so on.
Yes.
So that is how
We
it
have
changes,
evolved,
and I'm
yeah.
sure in the next decade there will be other
Yeah,
changes as
yeah,
well,
yeah.
as new younger wives come up and
आपने आवा लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल शुरू करा था जो
yes,
बहुत ही
yes,
ब्रिलियंट एंड आई
Yeah.
हैव टू टेल माय व्यूअर्स दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू स्टैंड अप
Stand-up
कॉमेडी फॉर द
comedy,
इंडियन आर्मी
yes.
मिसेस नरावने very sweetly I got a call from her office and they said Mrs. Naravan asked you to do stand up. I had no video. She said कोई video है? I said नहीं मेरे कोई video नहीं है. She said okay there's only one message from Mrs. Naravan, गालियाँ मत निकालना.
Yes.
मैंने नहीं निकाली गालियाँ. She said stage पे गालियाँ मत निकालना बस. और मैंने नहीं निकाली थी and that was
Yes,
my
I
first
remember that.
performance and I
Yes.
felt so elated कि आपने
Yes.
मुझे वो opportunity दी. मैं आज
Yes.
तक thank करती हूँ in
Yes.
front of such an distinguished guest list होती है उस
Yes.
function पे तो
Yes.
उफ बहुत सारे लोग थे.
There is great strength in numbers.
Yes.
So we have those numbers.
Yeah.
So if our harnesses the energy of
Yeah.
all these various talents and
And
so on, we can do wonders.
So much. Literary festival में कितनी writers
Yes.
निकल के आए हैं. So
And
many
that is
people who are
what,
doing so many
army
wives who are writing such wonderful
Yes.
stuff have come out
Yes.
and we've networked with such lovely people. We've done
Absolutely.
4 literary
Yes,
festivals now
Yeah.
in across India, so
Yes.
which is amazing. So
Yes.
it's not just chiffons and pearls is what people think. कि
yes.
Indian army wife की भाई
Yes.
chiffon डाली साड़ी डाली वो भी है.
Yes.
वो हम we are very proud of that,
That,
also
yes.
our chiffons and pearls.
Absolutely.
But there's much more that is
Yes.
happening. And Miss Naravne, talking about doing this voluntary work, I think you have a streak for it because you've continued it even after you've retired. You've doing a lot of things still. You're writing books for children
Yes.
as well.
Yes.
You're doing writing work. You're doing
Yes.
voluntary work with NGOs, like you are on the
Yes,
board of CK, which is a very different kind of a
Yes.
doing I think educational
Yeah.
work for rural areas. Which is very nice. So please tell us about what you're doing now and
Yes.
जैसे वो interview में पूछते हैं ना, where do you see
Yes,
yourself
yes,
5 years from now? आप क्या कर रही हैं उसके बारे में हमें
Yes.
बताइए.
So thank you for asking me that,
No,
Priya.
not at all.
But it gives me an opportunity to talk about
Yes.
the project that
Absolutely.
I'm involved with right now. So for many years, I had thought that that what we lack are resources to help children who lose an uniformed parent to cope with the grief that comes after that. So I had for years been speaking to a lot of young adults who had lost their fathers when they were very, when they were small, maybe 8 or 5 or, at that age, and what it meant to them and how they coped and so on. And then I realized that there is a lacuna in the sense that we do not really have any grief resources with us, to help the children to understand what is going on in their lives or how to cope with it and so on. So I had wanted to, for a long time, to create some resources for the children.
Wow.
So I started working towards it, and I'd spoken to a lot of these children who have had the misfortune of losing their fathers in operations. Luckily, I found a person who bought my idea,
Wow.
and the person was Mrs. Shahana Ahmed. She runs her own publishing house, which is called Bare Bones Publishing.
Oh.
So she was enthused with this idea, and she bought into it.
Wow,
so to say.
amazing.
And then she said that yes, I could go ahead with
Yes.
creating these resources, and then she would look into publishing them.
Hmm.
So now it has sort of taken shape in in what we call the Memory Tree series.
Wonderful.
So this series is going to have 3 books. Each book will have 4 stories each. So I am the writer for book 1 and book 2, and
Wonderful.
book 3 is being written by another lady whose name is Mrs. Bibha Lakhera.
All right.
So she's doing book 3.
All right.
So each of these stories, 4 stories, deal with different aspects of grief. But they are very short stories and they are age appropriate.
Are they done in some kind of a fictional way,
It's
or
a fiction.
Acha,
It's a
fictional
short
way.
story.
All right.
It's a short story.
Okay.
Fiction, just to give the children a kind of support and to understand what has happened in their lives and so on. And each of these book comes with the guidelines for adults.
Oh,
So because how to use the book.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
that's wonderful.
So because for the very young children, say the age group of 5 to 7, they may not be able to read the
Deal
book
with it,
themselves. Somebody may have to read it. It could be a caregiver, it could be a nani or a dadi, or any caregiver, masi or somebody like that. So how to use that book, so that the book comes with the guidelines for the
Wow.
adults, and it also comes with some activities which the children can do, which will help them to
Wow.
cope with the grief.
So you have
So-
consulted, like when you're writing this book, you
Yes.
consulted psychologists.
I have
to help
mainly spoken to a lot of children who
you?
have lost their fathers.
Oh.
So many
You-
of them came up with, what they felt at that time and what the challenges they
and they
faced.
wish they had
And
help
they
or
wish
something.
that they had something, and
Wow.
something to fall back on, somebody to explain what has happened, somebody to help them overcome that
Amazing.
sense of loss and so on.
Amazing.
So I've spoken to a lot of people. We did consult one psychologist
Huh.
who also helped us to see things
Different light.
in
Yeah.
a different light. And of course, my years of experience and my years of watching what happens when these deaths happen have also helped me conceptualize this whole series.
Wow.
So we are hoping to have it published by the Army Day next year, that is 2026.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, so the work is going on. For the very young children, there will be illustrated stories.
Oh,
So
wonderful.
we have illustrators on board who are working on it.
All right.
So
wonderful.
this is
Wow.
the latest
That's amazing, Ms.
project
Aravne.
from my
And
side.
whenever they are published, I would request you to please
Yes.
share the link with me. I would be happy
Yes.
to share it on my
Yes,
platforms where
definitely.
people can get those books.
Yes.
That will be
And
amazing.
the stories are not about only for the army, it's also for any child who loses a parent.
Yes.
It's
wow.
not
Wow.
uh,
Yeah, of
just
course.
just a uniform.
And that
yes.
grief is
yes. So it's
universal.
these stories are
Yeah.
going to have a universal appeal.
Yeah, universal. Because
Yeah.
grief is grief.
Grief
chahe-
is grief,
Of course.
yeah.
Losing a parent
Yeah.
is a
So,
different ballgame altogether.
In the West, for example, there are grief resources that are created specifically for the uniformed services and so on. But unfortunately, in India, we have
don't.
not had
Yeah.
so far. So that is one lacuna which I wanted to plug. And this
Amazing.
idea was in my head for good 8-9
Wow.
years.
Brilliant.
And I was a little hesitant because I've never written for children. I've only written for adults so far.
Okay.
So I was a little hesitant. I didn't know whether I'll be able to,
Wow.
really create something for children. But with God's grace, it has come
Mr.
about.
Naravne, wonderful. आपने करा है
So-
तो सब बढ़िया ही होगा.
So,
And we wish you all the
yes.
best for it. I'm sure
Yes,
it'll be
thank you
great. And
so
we'd
much.
love to, I'd love to share it on my
Yes,
platforms
thank
whenever the
you.
book is out.
Yes. In
Wishing
fact,
you
I
the
will
best
need
for
a
it.
lot of support from
Yes,
all of you
Yes, yes.
for those books to reach the right people.
Yes, of course. Of course.
Because that is where I'm going to need help.
Yes, no, definitely.
from-
And it's something so different. And I'm sure there are a lot of people out there who would be happy to get those books because
Books,
बहुत
yes.
ऐसे बच्चे हैं.
Yes.
बहुत सी ऐसे families में
Yes.
हैं चीज़ें.
In fact, I shared some stories with a couple of adults,
Okay.
adult children who have lost
Okay.
their fathers. And then one of them said that, if this kind of thing had been there,
हाँ.
it would have been so much better or easier for us to really,
Yes.
get our head around what has happened and so
Wow.
on, So that is what motivated me. I said, okay, this is making sense, So that's why I went
Wow.
on with this project.
I mean,
yeah.
the thought of it makes me
Yes.
feel that this is something coming up so comforting and
Yes,
so healing,
yeah,
which you really
yes,
need.
that is the thing. To
Yeah.
help the child heal.
Heal.
That's it,
Yeah,
basically,
yeah, yeah. Wonderful.
So
We wish you the best for that,
Thank you
Mrs.
so
Naravne.
much.
This has been a wonderful conversation. जाते जाते मतलब थोड़े फास्ट फॉरवर्ड वाले
Yes,
सवाल तो आ रहे हैं. उससे पहले चलो एक लास्ट आप बताइए. One thing I wanted to ask you was that what advice would you give? We'll end this long conversation part here. That looking back, of course, that what has been the best part for you, your personal growth? What has been the best part for you in the Indian Army? And being at this, retired as one of those senior most ladies from the Indian Army, what is the advice you would give to a newlywed Fauji bride?
Fauji bride. Well, the best part has been the friendships that I
Yeah.
have cultivated over the years, and they have been lifelong friendships, and they are really what should you say? They're deep friendships because we have lived our realities together.
Grown together, literally, grown old together.
grown old together, and so on. So that I feel is the
Yeah.
best part,
Wow.
and that is the lasting legacy, of
Yes,
the
amazing.
army.
I agree to that.
Life that we've had. As far as the advice to young brides, I don't think they need advice anymore. But
Nahi,
the
nahi.
one thing I would say is that try and bloom where you're planted. Just
So well
bloom
said.
where you're planted. Like for example, if you're in Firozpur, don't go pining for Jodhpur. Or don't go pining for something else. Make the best of where you are,
Yeah.
because each place comes with its own
I agree.
pluses and minuses. So enjoy wherever
Enjoy.
you are. Just enjoy that place and don't think about aage kya hoga,
Haan.
or don't think about if I was in an XYZ situation, it would have been better.
Haan. Haan.
So
Bilkul.
because life moves very fast, and it's things they move so fast that then you realize that, oh, I should have enjoyed XYZ thing in the
Bilkul.
place I was. So bloom where you're planted. Do your best to make your life, to enjoy, to find fulfillment where you are.
हाँ.
That is the one thing
I
would
think
say.
एक फौजन की नफ्स पकड़ सकती है. So you know where the typical cribbing of all फौजी wives is कि अरे हम वहाँ क्यों नहीं गए, यहाँ क्यों नहीं गए.
हाँ, exactly.
तो जहाँ हो
So,
वहीं की साड़ियाँ इकट्ठी करो और
exactly.
खुश रहो.
exactly.
वहीं के पर्ल्स खरीदो
Yeah,
और
yeah.
साड़ियाँ खरीदो और खुश रहो.
And also keep the mystery alive.
हाँ.
Keep the mystery intact.
Yes, absolutely.
So as
बिल्कुल.
in this day of social media,
Yeah.
all bearing and daring or
हाँ.
whatever can be done on social media comes with its pitfalls.
Yes.
So I feel we should keep our mystery alive.
हाँ.
After all, Maharani Gayatri Devi,
हाँ.
behind her chiffons and
हाँ.
her this thing, she kept the enigma alive, right?
Of course.
Behind the chiffon and the
Yes,
pearls.
of course. We should
So,
also.
we should also
अपना
keep-
aura हमारा बहुत है यार. हम फौजी
Intact
wives
रखो.
का aura maintain करके रखो.
Yeah,
बिल्कुल.
mystery intact rakho.
Thank you so much, Ms. Naravne. This has been such a wonderful chat. And in my format, I have some questions that I raise on my social media
Okay.
to my audience. So, कुछ सवाल मजेदार से सवाल हैं. So these are all very quick answer questions. And a lot of them have come from who are not living the Fauji life. So, how is the discipline in your home? Is General Naravne a very strict man in reality?
No, he's not strict,
Yeah.
but yes, we have kind of fallen in line
With the
from the very
discipline.
beginning. So yes, we are all at the breakfast table at 9
अरे वाह.
and the lunch table at 1:30
Oh.
and at the dinner table at 8:30.
Even the bachas and the grand
Yes,
bachas?
yes.
अरे वाह.
And if we are
True
not,
Fauji.
then he's looking at his watch.
कि कोई पहुंचा क्यों नहीं. So once a Fauji, always a
Yes,
Fauji.
always a
है ना?
Fauji, yeah.
Okay, how many postings did you see in your life?
Oh, I hadn't counted, but quite a few, I
Quite a
guess.
few.
Yes.
बहुत सारी होंगी.
बहुत
आपके तो
सारी,
especially
yes.
because
Yes, yes.
field postings ही बहुत होती हैं.
Yeah.
Why are Fauji wives always in saris and pearls and always elegant? I don't know whether that's a compliment or a question.
Yes.
But why are we in saris and pearls?
I guess it's the ethos.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
आज
one
भी
is-
see, she is dressed up in sari and
Saris
pearls.
and-
Chiffon and pearls.
Yes.
Always. और आज
But if you come home, then
हाँ.
you'll see me very likely
the real
in,
form. No. We will not come home. We will maintain the
yes,
mystery. Na?
yes.
Yes,
Absolutely in
amazing.
casuals, and especially after retirement.
हाँ.
I hardly ever don a sari now, it's just very rare occasions.
एक ये किसी young officer की wife से आया होगा. She's written that I got married but now I'm with my in-laws and husband has gone to a field posting.
Yeah.
What am I supposed to make of this?
Yes. Very true.
So
My God,
she's
you really
now-
feel what kind of life you let yourself in for, But tell her to take heart, things will change.
Things will change.
Yes.
And write letters.
Yes.
Or letters नहीं तो
As,
text.
as I said,
Communicate.
change is constant, so you
Yes.
only have to be a little patient.
ईमेल्स लिखना शुरू कर दो यार,
Yeah.
टाइप नहीं करना तो.
हाँ.
Communication, keep it going, right? How do you deal with the exhaustion of packing and unpacking every 2 years? हमारी तो 10 साल में एक बार शिफ्ट करने में ही जान निकल
Yeah,
गई.
yes, it's really, but it is difficult.
हाँ.
But there is a method to the madness, you know, because you have your numbered boxes,
Correct.
and then
Secret.
inside the numbered boxes you have your numbered cartons. So you know
Exactly.
which carton you have to put the mixie in, and which you know, खोका you have to put that in, or which trunk you have to put that in, you know.
और हमारी शादी में खरीदी हुई अवन और माइक्रोवेव का कार्टन 20 साल
20
से
साल,
वही कार्टन
yes,
चल रहा है.
yes.
क्योंकि वो हर 2 साल में उसको दोबारा पैक करना
So
है.
we never let go of the cartons.
We
you
never
know.
let go. हम
And-
आज भी कोई नया फ्रिज टीवी खरीदे, दुकान वाले हम कहे भैया अच्छा कार्टन देना,
कार्टन
जिसका
देना.
थर्मोकोल वर्मोकोल सब ठीक है. क्योंकि हमें
Because
20
that
साल
has
चला.
to last you for a long time, you know.
Long time.
So even the cartons of my dinner set are
intact.
intact.
Wow.
Because you know, I pack up my plates in the same cartons,
Huh.
again the same trunk and so on. So I mean, there is a method to that. So I guess that's what makes it easier.
Have you discarded the boxes now?
Now, of course.
अब चले
Now
हैं
all
finally.
trunks have been discarded.
Cartons and
Yes.
boxes have retired.
Yes, yes.
Very good,
almost
wonderful.
all.
काफी आपको relief लगा होगा.
Relief, yes.
Very nice. So that was the audience questions, and now I have a very fun rapid fire, Mrs. Naravne, and these are quick answers, whatever comes to your mind. And so, okay, let me start. Favorite posting?
Favorite posting, Fatehgarh.
Fatehgarh.
Yes.
अरे वाह.
Which is back of beyond on the banks of the river Ganga.
Oh wow.
And it's a beautiful place.
He was with you there?
Yes,
Oh.
he was with me. So I liked. And
Wonderful.
we had a very good set of friends.
Oh, lovely.
So I loved that
Favorite
place.
posting.
Yes.
Worst posting?
Worst posting was Kohima in Nagaland. It was very difficult to get there. The road is very, very
yeah.
bad.
My husband was in
Yes.
Dimapur. मुझे वो भी याद है, बहुत मुश्किल था.
So I used to find that
Long
a
drive.
very
And very bad
difficult.
drive.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I didn't like that place because
हाँ.
of the
मेरे
you
को
know,
motion sickness भी हुआ था.
yes, getting there was so difficult.
Yeah. All right. Most embarrassing moment as a newly wed wife, Fauji wife.
Oh, there must have been many though. I
कोई
can't
dinner night
remember.
वाला event या कुछ ऐसा.
Yes. I do remember one incident
हाँ,
which is quite
बताइए.
funny.
हाँ.
He had, when we were just newly married, he had got posted to the brigade as a camp commander.
हाँ.
And then in those days, I was not very clear about the ranks and about these appointments and so on.
I'll
Everything
keep
was
quiet right now also.
yes. So it was all very new and very Greek to me, you know. So we went for this New Year's party, and then there was this lady next to me, and she said, "Oh, where are you from?" So I said, "This is battalion and so on." So what are you doing here? So I said, "No, my husband is the commandant." You know. So she's looking at me, and
He
then
was
she
a
said,
captain then?
he was he was captain. She says, "Oh, आप में तो बहुत age difference होगा फिर." So I said, "नहीं, कोई age difference नहीं है, no." And then she was so confused, you know, and I was wondering why she is confused, and it was because quite hilarious in the end. And then only after some time did I realize that I should have, added that camp commandant, there and so on.
Commandant
So-
is supposed to be general brigadier.
Exactly. In those days, yeah, brigade commander.
Brigade commander.
brigade
Yeah,
commander.
तो brigadier. Yeah.
हाँ.
So funny.
So, but that time I was really very
हाँ.
green behind the years, I really
हाँ.
didn't know much.
वो jargon बहुत है ना
Yes.
फौज में, वो learn करने में
Yeah.
time लगता है, वक्त
Yeah,
लगता है.
वक्त लगता है, yeah.
बिल्कुल, I agree.
So,
The fastest way, the fastest you have ever tied a sari and got ready for an event, and I'm sure there must have been.
Yes,
Yeah.
there has been. Yes.
वाह, कितना time लगा? 2-3
इतना
minute?
10 मिनट तो नहीं, अभी 15 मिनट तो
15 मिनट
लगेंगे
लगे।
लगेंगे।
Yeah. तैयार हो गए फटाफट.
फटाफट निकलो।
You know,
yes.
because I have to tell my viewers that at various positions in the army, the wives are extremely busy with lot of events.
Yeah.
But as a army chief's wife, तो बहुत ही busy हो गए.
बहुत,
There must
yes.
have been days where you must have had back-to-back
Yes.
3-4 events,
Yes.
and you were expected to reach all those 3-4 events in different sarees.
Sarees, yes. So
And
I
you-
remember my dressing room sometimes used to be piled high with sarees at night. I used to realize because back-to-back events I've come and I've changed into a new one.
Yes.
So 3-4 sarees just lying in
Lying
piles
around,
in
हाँ. एंड कई इवेंट्स के बीच में तो आपको तैयार होने का भी मतलब खाना खाने का भी टाइम नहीं मिलता होगा, बस फटाफट चेंज करो निकलो, है ना? योर आइटिनरी मस्ट बी सो heavily booked. It still is of army chiefs vibes. Yes, of course. Wow. Did you ever fall asleep during an important फौजी event? कोई स्पीच चल रही हो और नींद आ रही हो? Yes. अब
But
तो
I
होना
have
कर सकते हो।
kind of perfected the art of
Sleeping with eyes open.
Over these long after dinner speeches,
Yeah.
especially when
Oh.
you've had dinner.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
there is this after dinner
Dinner.
speech. So, I look very interested and I keep my eyes open.
But
But
you're
I'm actually sleeping.
I think we all have learned that.
Learned that, yeah.
वो dinner night वो
Yes.
जो dining out वाली
Dining
speeches
out
होती हैं.
speeches,
Oh
I
yeah,
know.
sometimes there's like 10 officers
I
dining
know.
in, dining out.
Sometimes I feel
like,
those speeches should be before dinner
I
rather
also
than
feel.
be after dinner,
I always say that to my husband. I say before dinner ही क्यों नहीं होता
खत्म,
snacks
yes.
snacks होता तभी होना चाहिए.
I
Why
know.
after dinner? Yeah, that's true. One time of your Fauji life that you wish you could relive.
the childhood of my children,
Yeah, so lovely,
yes,
so
I
sweet.
think I would have like to
Loved it.
relive that time.
How
yeah.
sweet. How sweet.
Mm.
The worst part about being a Fauji wife. Anything?
Worst part. I really cannot think of on my feet like
Good.
that.
In the end, all is well.
All is well. Yes.
Good, we'll take it as that. Canteen, Awa Shops, Diwali Mela. Your favorite Fauji shopping place?
What did you say? Canteen?
Canteen, Awa Shops,
Hmm.
जहाँ पे बहुत ही बढ़िया साड़ियाँ होती हैं, and Diwali Melas.
Awa Shops.
Awa
Definitely.
Shops, yeah, Awa Shops.
Definitely.
We can't miss. Correct.
Yeah.
One time that you did not dress as per protocol and got stared at by senior ladies.
Yes.
Yeah.
There was a time,
Yeah.
we had gone for a raising day,
अच्छा.
and we were traveling by road from Delhi
हाँ.
to, I think it was not Bhatinda, somewhere, I forget,
हाँ.
Kapurthala or
हाँ.
someplace. And then because we were traveling, I wore jeans, and a t-shirt, something like that. And then
Oh, my
because we were
God.
traveling, and for some reason I thought that, when we reach, we'll go to the guest room and then I'll
Yeah.
change, But it turned out that we reached late, so we were
Huh.
taken directly for the event.
Oh my God.
So I was in this, jeans with a, a polo neck sweater. And of course, then all the ladies turned around and they were, looking at me. And then I had to apologize to everyone for no
Everyone.
rhyme or reason. I'm sorry. I didn't know I was
I didn't
coming
know.
directly here. I thought I'd be going to the room to change and, so on.
Oh my God.
So it was quite
Yes.
funny.
Yeah.
Because the events are were in the mess, in a
Yeah.
formal setting, right? So
Yeah,
then
yeah. of
it
course.
looks pretty out of place to
out
be
of place. Yes,
in
yes.
jeans in a formal setting.
Yeah, it's purely for that. I mean, we
Yeah.
love our protocols. By the way,
Yes.
there's nothing like we don't like it. We love it. We love every opportunity of wearing a sari
Sari,
and getting
yes.
ready and
And
going. And I
going.
think in Fauj we have plenty. I
Yes.
hear that from my civilian friends so much. कि यार तुम्हारी ना साड़ियाँ निकल जाती हैं, ये बड़ा अच्छा है.
अच्छा है.
मैं क्या, हमारी तो इतनी निकलती है कि हमारी कम पड़ जाती है. We don't mind buying more. Absolutely. कितने बैचलर्स को मैगी खिलाया है? और पहले मैं इस सवाल का कॉन्टेक्स्ट समझा दूं, क्योंकि लोग ये ना समझे कि आप बैचलर्स ऐसे ही क्यों कर रहे हैं. एलिजिबल बैचलर्स को मैगी खिला रहे हो.
Yes.
बट फौज में एक ट्रेडिशन होता है, न्यूली वेड्स जब होते हैं तो जो आपके हस्बैंड के फ्रेंड्स होते हैं बैचलर्स जिनकी शादी नहीं होती, तो एक बड़ा क्यूट सा ट्रेंड होता है कि बैचलर्स किसी भी वक्त, और यूजुअली वो वक्त रात के 12 बजे ही होता है,
Yes.
वो आपके घर पहुंच जाते हैं, घंटियां मारते हैं कि यार मैगी खिलाओ, खाना खिलाओ, कॉफ़ी पिलाओ, और फिर वो वाइफ बेचारी लगी हुई है किचन में, 15 लोगों के लिए खाने बन रहे हैं, अंडे की भुजिया बन रही है. तो आपने
Yes.
कितने बैचलर्स को
Yeah.
खिलाया
No,
मैगी? बहुत.
Sadly, when I got married,
तो
Maggi
नहीं
was Maggi was not so नहीं था, but it was not so easily
Oh.
available,
आपने
So
पराठे खाए
so it was
literally?
parathe, and then
Oh
we used
God.
to have those stoves,
हाँ.
which were wick stoves.
I know.
They were not
वैसे
the
वाले.
pressure
my
stoves. They were
God.
the wick stoves. So every time
Ganda.
that you have to cook, you have to actually remove everything and snip those
Vicks.
wicks.
Yeah.
And then put them on, and then that
Oh my God.
kerosene and all that, so that parathas used to be on the kerosene
Oh.
stove, and the anda bhujia.
आपने तो असली सेवा करी है
Sorry.
फिर. लंगर
But
सेवा.
the thing was that whatever you did, the parathas or whatever you made on the wick stove would smell of kerosene. There was
What?
just
अच्छा.
because of the fumes.
And I'm sure bachelors को फर्क
So
नहीं
bachelors
पड़ता
को फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
हाँ,
So
वो
they
खा
would
जाते हैं.
happily anyway eat whatever is given. So in that sense, I was
बहुत
like,
गिला है.
good.
आपने असली मेहनत करी है, बिल्कुल
Yes.
लंगर सेवा की तरह. Very good. And चलो, last question, but never the least, proudest moment of being a Fauji wife.
The proudest moment, of course, would be when he became chief.
Chief.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
That
Wow,
would be,
wonderful.
yes.
Wonderful.
Yes.
That was all, Mrs. Naravne, and you've
Yes.
been such a wonderful guest.
Thank
And
you.
you've given us such lovely insights about your Fauji life, and it took me also back to so many lovely memories. And you did very well in the rapid fire,
Oh.
so you get a little prize from me. That's a little
Thank
thing.
you.
ये वैसे मेरी
अच्छा. Oh my
पेंटिंग का
goodness.
एक प्रिंट है.
Okay.
हालांकि आपके पास मेरी एक छोटी सी ओरिजिनल पेंटिंग
Yes,
भी है,
है.
बट ये मेरा एक स्टैंडर्ड
Thank
गिफ्ट है मेरे
you.
पॉडकास्ट के गेस्ट को.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so
Thank
much for
you.
coming, Mrs. Naravne. This has been such a
Oh.
joy.
Yes.
And I'm sure a lot of people out there who don't know much about Fauji life and उनके लिए एक mystery है, वो आज थोड़ी सी mystery हमने खोल दी और थोड़े से
Yes.
सवालों के जवाब दिए. And Fauji wives के बारे में जितना कहा जाए I think कम है. We are something different. और मैंने इन्हीं चीज़ों को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए कुछ साल पहले एक छोटी सी कविता लिखी थी. तो let me conclude with that, with your permission. Thank you. हम हैं कुछ खास, हम हैं कुछ खास, प्रतिष्ठा और ताकत हमारा लिबास, सब्र और आस्था हमारा विश्वास. हम हैं कुछ खास, हम हैं कुछ खास. न धर्म जाना है, न कोई जानी है जात, दिवाली हो या ईद मनाया है हर त्योहार. फौजी से ब्याकर बस जानी है एक बात, भारत है धर्म, भारतीय सेना ही अपना परिवार. हम हैं कुछ खास. घाट घाट का पिया है पानी, भांत भांत के बनाए हैं दोस्त, न जाने कब किधर लगेगा डेरा, कौन से शहर होगा फिर नया सवेरा. काले बक्से में बस कुछ यादें संजोकर, हंसकर अनजान राहों पर फिर चलने को हैं तैयार. हम हैं कुछ खास, हम हैं कुछ खास. फिक्र भी की है, कभी किया है लंबा इंतज़ार, निडर काटे हैं अकेले न जाने कितने दिन रात. सिंदूर की लाली वतन के लिए जब बह गई लहू बनकर, सिंदूर की लाली वतन के लिए जब बह गई लहू बनकर, तब भी मुस्कुराकर ही इस उच्च बलिदान को किया है स्वीकार. हम हैं कुछ खास, हम हैं कुछ खास. एक फौजी की पत्नी होने का क्यों ना हो अभिमान, गौरव और सम्मान से भरा जीवन जो है हमारे पास. हम हैं कुछ खास, हम हैं कुछ खास. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And as much as I have enjoyed hosting Mrs. Naravne, Jai Hind ki Sena. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And do leave your comments and tell me how you enjoyed the episode. Thank you and stay tuned.
Ask mommy anything, मम्मी को सब पता है. रात भर क्यों जागते हो, फोन में क्यों झांकते हो, काम से भाग के तुम गेट को लांघते हो. Dating apps, Google Maps, yo-yo का latest rap, sushi की रेसिपी करती मैनेज कैसे भी. Ask mommy anything, मम्मी को सब पता है. बस पासवर्ड याद नहीं रहता.